Good day everyone, my name is Mary Josephine Pronda from Foxtrot 1. Our topic for today is BUCOR or Bureau of Corrections. The Bureau of Correction sa Pilipino is kawanihan ng mga bilangguan, literally Bureau of Prison, which was the old name of the agency from 1905 to 1989, abbreviated BUCOR. Is an agency of the Department of Justice which is charged with the custody and rehabilitation of national offenders who have been sentenced to 3 years of imprisonment or more. The agency has its headquarters in the New Bilibid Prison in Muntinlupa. Mandate and functions. The Bureau of Corrections is an agency under the Department of Justice that is charged with custody and rehabilitation of national offenders, that is, those sentenced to serve a term of imprisonment of more than 3 years or more. Ang Bureau of Correction ay isang ahensya sa ilalim ng Department of Justice na inatasang mangalaga ng mga bilanggong nahatulan ng 3 o higit pang taon. To carry out its mandate, the Bureau undertakes the following: confine persons convicted by the courts to serve a sentence in national prisons. Keep prisoners from committing crimes while in custody. So, yon. Iwasan ang mga bilanggo na gumawa ng krimen habang nasa kustudiya. Provide human treatment by supplying the inmates basic needs and implementing a variety of rehabilitation program designed to change their pattern of criminal or antisocial behavior. Pagbigay ng mga pangangailangan ng mga preso at pagpapatupad ng iba't ibang programa upang baguhin ang pag-uugali ng mga bilanggo. Engage in agro-industrial projects for the purpose of developing prison lands and resources into productive bases or profit centers, developing and employing inmate manpower, skill, and labor, providing prisoners with a source of income, and augmenting the Bureau yearly appropriation. Mission: effective safekeeping and rehabilitation of national prisoners. Mission daw po ay mabisang pangangalaga at rehabilitasyon ng mga pambansang bilanggo. Vision: improve national prisons conducive to the reformation and rehabilitation of inmates that will bring them back into the mainstream of society as useful citizens of the country. Ambisyon: pinagbuti ang mga pambansang kulungan na nakakatulong sa reformasyon at rehabilitasyon ng mga preso na magbabalik sa kanilang mga pamilya bilang isang kapaki-pakinabang na mamamayan ng bansa.
Good day everyone, I'm Mark Vincent Magsina from Foxtrot 1. The agency has 7 operating units located nationwide, namely the New Bilibid Prison in Muntinlupa City, the Correctional Institution for Women in Mandaluyong City, Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm in Occidental Mindoro, San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm in Zamboanga City, Leyte Regional Prison in Abuyog, Leyte, and Davao Prison and Penal Farm in Panabo, Davao Province. Department of Justice. Under this are the Bureau of Corrections, Parole and Probation Administration, and the Board of Pardons and Parole. Pag sinabi po nating Department of Justice, sila po ang institusyon na dumidinig sa karapatan at obligasyon ng mga mamayan sa bansa. Punsod nito, sila din po ang administrasyon na naatasan sa pagsagawa ng isang observation batay sa batas ng nakararaan. History: Spanish colonial era. The old Bilibid Prison, which was located on Oroqueta Street in Manila was established in 1847 and by royal decree formally opened on April 10, 1866. On August 21, 1870, the San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm was established in Zamboanga City for Muslim and political prisoners opposed to the rule of Spain. Spanish era. Based sa nakasaad dito, ang Old Bilibid Prison po ay located or matatagpuan sa Oroqueta Street in Manila at pinatayo siya noong taong 1847 during Spanish era. Bukod dito, noong Agosto 21 naman 1870 ay pinatayo sa Zamboanga City ang San Ramon Prison at Penal Farm. American Colonial Era. The Luhit Penal Settlement now as Iway Prison and Penal Farm was established in 1904 by the American in 28,000 hectares of land. The land area expanded to 40,000 hectares in the late 1950s and expanded again to 41,000 hectares by virtue of Executive Order number 67 issued by Governor Newton Gilbert on December 15, 1912. American Era. Ayon sa pahayag noong panahon ng mga Amerikano, ang Luhit Penal Settlement po kilala sa tawag na Iway Prison. Ang Penal Farm ay pinatayo noong 1904 sa lupain ng mga Amerikano na may 28,000 na tumaas na mahigit 40,000 noong taong 1950s at umaabot hanggang 41,000 na lupain na nakapaloob sa Executive Order 67 na inaprobahan ni Governor Gilbert Newton noong Oktubre 15, 1912.
Good day everyone, I'm Suleiman Joshua from Pakstrat 1. The Bureau of Prison was created under the Reorganization Act of 1905 as an agency under the Department of Commerce and Police. The Reorganization Act also re-established the San Ramon Prison in 1907, which was destroyed during the Spanish-American War in 1888. Ang Bureau of Prison ay nilikha sa ilalim ng Reorganization Act ng 1905 bilang isang ahensya sa ilalim ng Department of Commerce and Police. Tinatag din ang Reorganization Act ang San Ramon Prison noong 1907 na nawasak noong digmaang Espanya-Amerikano noong 1888. The prison was placed under the Bureau of Prison and received prisoners in Mindanao. The correctional institution for women was founded on November 27, 1929 by virtue of Act number 3579 as the first and only prison for women in the Philippines. Later on January 21, 1932, the Bureau opened the Davao Penal Colony in Southern Mindanao. The new Bilibid prison was established in 1935 in Muntinlupa City due to the increased rate of prisoners. Ang bilangguan ay nilagay sa ilalim ng Bureau of Prisons at tumanggap ng mga bilanggo sa Mindanao. Ang Correctional Institution of Women ay tinatag noong Nobyembre 27, 1929 sa bisa ng batas bilang 3579 bilang una at nag-iisang bilangguan para sa mga kababayan sa Pilipinas nang maglaon noong Enero 21, 1932. Binuksan ng Bureau ang Davao Penal Colony sa limang Timog Mindanao. Ang New Bilibid Prison ay tinatag noong 1935 sa Muntinlupa City dahil sa pagtaas ng bilang ng mga preso. The Contemporary Era. Proclamation number 72 issued on September 26, 1954 established the Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm in Occidental Mindoro, and the later regional prison was established on January 16, 1973 at 1101. Contemporary Era. Ang proklamasyon bilang 72 na inilabas noong September 26, 1954 ay nagtatag ng Sablayan Prison at Penal Farm sa Occidental Mindoro, at ang later regional prison ay tinatag noong Enero 16, 1973 sa lalim ng proklamasyon bilang 1101. The Administrative Code of 1987 and Proclamation number 495 issue on November 22, 1989 changed the agency's name to the current Bureau of Correction from Bureau of Prison. Ang administratibong kodigo ng 1907 at proklamasyon bilang 495 na inisyu noong November 22, 1989 ay binago ang pangalan ng ahensya sa kasalukuyang Bureau of Correction mula sa Bureau of Prisons. Logo. The logo of the Bureau represents the government agency mandating the rehabilitation of inmate. The logo focuses on the man in prison as the main concern of rehabilitation. It presents man behind bars but who looks outwards with the hope of rejoining the pre-community. The rays of the sun and the color green are symbolic of hope. The color orange is symbolic of happiness. The bar of justice represents the justice system. Ayon nga dito, ang logo ng Bureau ay kumakatawan sa mandato ng ahensya ng gobyerno. Ang rehabilitasyon ng preso, nakatuon ang logo sa lalaking nasa bilangguan bilang pangunahing pag-alala ng rehabilitasyon. Ipinakita nito ang tao sa likod ng mga bar, ngunit kung sino ang tumingin sa labas na may pag-asang muling sumali sa malayang komunidad. Ang mga sinag ng araw at ang kulay ng berde ay pag-asa. Simbolo ng ang kulay ng kahel ay simbolo ng kaligayahan. Ang bar ng hustisya ay kumakatawan sa sistema ng hustisya. Capital punishment. When the Philippines had the death penalty, male inmates condemned to death were held at New Bilibid Prison, and female inmates condemned to death were held at correctional institution for women. The death chamber for inmates to be electrocuted was in Building 14 within the maximum security compound of New Bilibid. The Bureau of Correction, or tinatawag natin Bukor Museum, previously served as the lethal injection chamber. Nang ang Pilipinas ay may parusang kamatayan, ang mga lalaking bilanggo ng kinondena ng kamatayan ay ginanap sa New Bilibid Prison, at ang mga babaeng preso ng kondena ng kamatayan ay ginanap sa correctional institution for women. Ang silid ng kamatayan sa mga nakakulong na nakuryente ay sa Building 14 sa loob ng maximum security compound ng New Bilibid ng Bureau of Correction, o tinatawag natin Bukor Museum, na dating nagsilbing lethal injection room.